In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CapCut to enhance your video editing projects. This guide will walk you through some fundamental editing techniques in a clear and straightforward manner, making sure you get the most out of this powerful tool. Let's begin by talking about how to place your video on the timeline and select it, which is your starting point for any editing project. Once you have your video clip ready, simply drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline is your workspace, where you can see your entire project laid out in chronological order. Make sure your clip is highlighted or selected, as this lets the software know that's the specific part of your project you want to work on. Now that your video is on the timeline, the next step involves using the scale and position settings to zoom in or out on your video object as needed. This is particularly useful if your shot doesn't perfectly frame the action or subject as you'd like. You can find these options in the editing panel, often located on the side of your editing interface. By adjusting the scale, you can make your content appear larger or smaller. Be mindful not to overdo it, as zooming in too much can lead to a loss in quality. Position allows you to shift your video's focal point left, right, up, or down, which is perfect for precisely tweaking the composition and ensuring everything aligns just how you want it. After making adjustments using scale and position, it's crucial to preview your video to adjust the smoothness of any transitions and ensure that the edits you've made flow well with the rest of your project. Playing back your video allows you to catch any awkward cuts or abrupt changes that may disrupt the viewing experience. If you notice anything off, you can go back and make incremental adjustments until everything looks seamless. By following these steps, you will have more control over your edits, with the ability to fine-tune every aspect of your video. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments and the overall flow, save your project to lock in those changes. This simple yet effective approach to editing with CapCut can significantly enhance your video content, ensuring it reflects the quality and narrative you intend to present. Feel free to revisit each of these steps as you continue honing your skills and explore the myriad of other features CapCut provides to add creativity and flair to your projects. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.